Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I promised in my last video, today I will be showing you how to cut a clean mid-run fade step by step. So pay close attention because every stage matters in achieving a smooth professional result. Let's get into it. To begin, use no clipper guard and make sure your clipper lever is fully closed. Create your first guideline, a bad line placed around the middle area of the head, about half an inch above the ear, going all the way around. Keep this line clean, even, and consistent. Also make sure you clear off all the excess hair around the neck area. This is your foundation, so take your time with it. Next, without a clipper guard, open the clipper lever fully. Create a second guideline just above the first one, maintaining the same shape as you go around the head. Keep your strokes controlled and consistent. Now attach your number one guard and open the lever fully. Start blending the second guideline into the main hair. Work evenly around the head using smooth and controlled strokes. Avoid rushing. Consistency is key. After that, remove the guard and open the lever fully. Go back in to detail your fade, focusing on any dark spots or uneven areas. Use the angles of your clipper and proper lever control to define the blend. This step is what gives your fade that clean professional finish. Now, use your trimmer to line up the haircut. A sharp lineup enhances the overall look and brings out the best in your fade. Take your time to get your edges clean, sharp and well defined. And there you have it, a clean mid-run fade done properly. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more professional barber tutorials. See you in the next video. In the next video, I'll be teaching us how to do a high run fade.